Students, welcome to the science class. Let's begin with types of fibers today. First one is natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Let's discuss about the natural fibers first. As we know, natural fibers, as the name suggests, these fibers are obtained from natural resources, right? Like the cotton. This cotton t-shirts we get from the cotton plant, and this warm woolen cloth we get from the skin of the sheep, basically the hairs, as you can see. And this silk ribbon we get from the silkworm, students. Next is synthetic fibers, the fibers that are made from the chemicals by the humans. Example: rayon, nylon, terylene. These are the chemicals basically through which synthetic fibers are made up of. There are some characteristics of the synthetic fibers. They are cheaper than natural fibers, they are stronger than natural fibers. We can be easily maintain them. It is easy to wash. They are dried up in less time. They are readily available in the market. You don't have to look here and there. Next, there are extra questions. Please go through these questions, students. Like, write any two characteristics of the synthetic fibers which we have discussed. Even you can also mention they are wrinkle free. You don't need to iron them, right? Differentiate between synthetic and natural fibers. As you can see, the natural fibers have to be protected, right? But synthetic fibers, as they are made up of chemicals, so it is not eaten up by the moth or any of the insect. And covered part of a body is usually fairer than uncovered part. Why? What would be the reason for it? We already discussed these questions. Now let's understand why we need to care for the clothes. What is the need to care for the clothes, students? First of all, you need to organize, clean, in good repair when you need them, so that it will be easy to access. You don't need to find them. And once you organize your clothes, you will be like keeping in a proper way. So it can basically, it can increase the shelf life. It also saves the time and the money if you're caring for your clothes, because it can be durable, it can last longer, right? And you don't have to go for dry cleaning, students, every time, right? Because doing dry cleaning so many times, it can decrease the shelf life of the clothes, right? There are some points how you can care for your clothes. They should be washed well with a good soap and detergent, so that all the sweat, all the dirt and stain can be removed easily. Woolen and silk clothes need a lot of cares. You can use easy for them, right? They're easily attacked by the small insect like moth and silverfish. Silverfish, the name belongs from a fish, but it is not a fish, it is an insect. We should store silk and woolen clothes with mothballs or dried neem leaves, or you can say the naphthalene ball, students, one of the same thing. This will keep the insects away, students. Woolen coats and trousers should be dry clean, as it will be spoiled by plain washing, students. So in that case, you can go for a dry clean, but not more than that. Like, after wearing one time, you cannot go for a dry cleaning, students. At least wait. If there's no stain, you should not go. This is an extra question. Rohan always prefer to wear the light color clothes during summer and dark color clothes during winter. Why? Think it yourself, and let's do this question, students. This is an activity. We have already done this activity at home. We have already done this activity in the school during the online classes. I repeat, we have completed this activity during the online class, weaving a mat. That is a weaving pattern. Thank you, students, for listening this. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you so much.